So my name's Ken Wellborn, and I'm the Program Director for Advanced Manufacturing at Piedmont Virginia Community College. So we take technology and we break it down into simple tasks, and as the students progress through the program, they get more and more complicated, and they learn to master these tasks by doing. It's really important that the students are actually doing real-world things, and at the end of the day, we get in-demand positions filled in our local economy.
So for me, the most interesting thing today is the fact that they're talking about how everything's like hands-on and you're not really sitting in an office designing things, you're like actually building everything.
A lot of people, when they see what we do, they think we're engineering, because a lot of people think this is what engineering is. And I would say our strength is we make people who know how to really do things. This room is full of CNC machines, but we do low-level electronics, we do programming, we do automation, robotics, PLC. You'll come out of it, I mean, it's only 2 years, right? It's an associate's degree. The whole point is it's workforce ready. So you would come out of it being extremely valuable. So I'd say the number one thing to take out of it is don't immediately give up on education because high school is terrible.
We are here to try and understand what PVCC is offering to high school students as far as their technology education.
I think I'm most looking forward to just seeing how they operate most of their bigger machines. So I've done a lot of CNC work with drilling machines before, and I just want to see how good they are at it, because if I do come here for that, that's what I'd be more interested in.
Today I'm looking forward to speaking to some experts in the engineering field and just broadening my horizon about my knowledge on this stuff.
So I think what's so special about this program and a lot of programs at PVCC is that it's another pathway, it's a different option. Not everybody needs to go to a four-year college, and four-year colleges are great, but there are some people who are really ready to get to work, who are hands-on, and who are anxious to get into a career path.
The reason this interests me is because I love bucket trucks. I've always loved like construction since I was a young kid. I used to watch a show, or I don't know what it was. It was like Mandy's, Handy's, or whatever. I don't know what it was. It just really interests me as from a kid. I love digging in the dirt. Love playing with all like the little pickup trucks running around the yard. I just love it.
What's special about the program is that it's offering hands-on opportunities in workforce development, and it gives students a different perspective on what it means to kind of contribute to our community in very meaningful, impactful ways. We have so many other pathways that are available to many of our community members and students, so that they can, if they're not interested in going off to college in the traditional sense, they can go into the workforce in kind of cool ways, doing cool work, and that's technology driven, technology related.
I liked seeing the robotic arm and like the way the assembly line was, because I don't know, I thought it was cool to watch like all the robots like doing their stuff.
So the goals of the robotics program, the head of the engineering technology program has really set a nice vision an outlook on it, to where he's really trying to prepare the students that come through this program to be ready for the things that they will see in an actual job. So to be directly prepared for the workforce. And so oftentimes we have machines that are used by companies around here in Charlottesville and frequently used in the industry. And so his goal for that is to get them hands-on experience with that, get them ready, and when they get a job, they're like, We've got this, I've used this before, and they have experience.
The most important thing I think as a takeaway today is understanding how our community benefits from manufacturing. We have a very strong local economy, and manufacturers are a big part of that, but they often are not understood or not even seen. A lot of people don't know a lot about our local companies like Northrop Grumman and Microair and University of Virginia. University of Virginia is a great educational institution, but they're a huge employer, and they employ a lot of our graduates.